In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Asana and Outlook. Connecting these two powerful platforms can significantly enhance your productivity, allowing you to manage tasks seamlessly and integrate communication more effectively. So let's get started. Firstly, open your browser and navigate to the Asana login page. Once there, you'd want to enter your email address. Ensure you use the email associated with your Asana account, as this allows you to access your projects and tasks accurately. After typing in your email, click on the Continue button to proceed. Next, you will be prompted to enter your password. Go ahead and type it in. Remember, keeping your Asana password secure is crucial for protecting your project data. Once you've entered your password, click on the Login button and you'll be taken to your Asana homepage. On your Asana homepage, you'll see a list of projects and tasks. The next step is to select a project you want to work with. Clicking on the project will open it, allowing you to see all tasks under that project. Now, locate the Customize option. This feature is an incredibly handy tool that allows you to modify and enhance your project view. Click on Customize and a menu should appear on your screen. Scroll down through this menu until you find the Apps section. This is where you can manage all the third-party integrations available for your projects. Click on Apps to proceed. Next, you should see an option to add apps. Click on Add to start the process of linking Outlook to your Asana project. From the list of available apps, select Outlook Email. This will enable the option to integrate your Outlook with Asana, streamlining your email and task management processes. After selecting Outlook Email, you'll be presented with an Add to Project button. Click on this and you'll move closer to completing the integration. Once you've added Outlook to your project, you'll see an option to connect to Outlook Email. Click on Connect to Outlook Email, which will initiate the process of authorizing the connection between Asana and Outlook. It's here that you may need to enter your Outlook credentials to confirm the linkage. Follow any prompts that appear to finalize the connection between your Asana project and Outlook. These prompts typically guide you through authorizations required to ensure that the integration functions properly and securely. And there you have it. You've successfully linked Asana with Outlook, enabling smoother management of your tasks and communication within projects. Remember, this integration streamlines information flow, significantly boosting your team's ability to collaborate efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.